this is Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So this is part 2 of why we choose to live. Why we choose to live. Okay, so let's continue all the reasons why we want to just keep living, because we do not want to depart, right? Okay. We say yes to things that we should say no to. So, for instance, maybe your children need you to babysit, and you're extremely tired, and you hate to say no because you love your grandkids, but in the same token, you are just exhausted. And it's not like they're going to work or something that day. Maybe they just want to go hang out. Well, that's not a reason for you to be up half of the night or be stressed out when you're not feeling well. So learn to say no when you need to say no, because you need to get your rest so that you can live a little longer, okay? And say, honey, I really wish I could do that for you today, but not tonight. Maybe you can make a plans and go out another night when I'm feeling a little better. Okay? And that's because you're choosing to live. Okay? Just like they're choosing to go live it up that night. Okay? So say no when you need to say no, and then you can say yes when you feel you're better to say yes. Okay? We say things that hurt others, and then we have regrets. Okay, if you have a reason for living, you don't want to continuously make enemies, hurt people's feelings, say things to people that we regret. We don't want to do that, right? Because life is short, and if you continuously hurt people's feelings, then how does that work for you? Okay, so yeah, you may think you got away with it, but not really, because life has a way of coming back on you. So if you want to really live, and you want to live in peace in your head, stop hurting people, stop doing things to people that you'll regret. Because if you can sleep in peace, if you can lay down and rest without any thoughts on what you did wrong that day, you'll live a lot longer. Less stress, a lot longer. Okay? All right. So if you're going to choose to live, right? That's the subject here. You choose to live. So if you're going to choose to live, choose to be kind, be sweet, be concerned about people, right? Because it takes a lot more to be evil than it does to be kind. And sometimes you have to be kind to those who are mistreating you. But if you really try to hammer in on them, maybe it wouldn't make any difference. They would still be the same person when you finish straightening them out, because you'll never straighten them out. You just get them told for that moment, but it doesn't sink into them, because they don't value life. They're not concerned about living, but you be concerned about living. And the best thing to do is just try not to deal with that person so they don't take you down to that level. Choose to live. Live in peace. Live in harmony. Live within you. Okay? Forget about any shows going on around you. You just choose to live in peace and harmony in you. Okay, so that you can live longer. You cannot be stressed out. You cannot have the stroke. You cannot have the heart attack. Don't need that headache, right? Okay. You are in charge. You are in control of you and your life, and how you live it, and what goes in you, and everything. So I'm with you. I would like to live longer too. I don't think I lay down and think about, okay, I don't want to wake up in the morning. No, I lay down and I think about what I'm going to do the next day, which means I'm thinking about what I'm going to wake up in the morning, right? So if you're going to do that, you want to be happy as possible. Happy as possible. And pass this information on to your children, even your little children, because it's important for them to learn how to live life and manage life so that they have a better, happy life, right? Okay, so that's all I have to say for you today. You want to live longer? Me too. Okay, so thanks for hanging around, listening to the video. Give it all some thought, because it's a subject that we really do need to give it a thought, okay? And check out the links below if you would like to support this channel in any way. I really appreciate it. And if I'm saying something that really gets to your heart, or you think about it and you say, she got some good points, maybe you might want to go ahead and activate some of those points, you know, and make life easier for yourself, because you have one life that you know of, and you want to have it as less stress as possible. Okay? Alright, share the video, subscribe if this is your first time on my channel, and until next time, I'll talk to you later, okay? Bye-bye.